Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by launching Firefox and making sure it's updated. That prevents compatibility issues. Once done, open the menu, 3 bars, and choose Add-ons and Themes. You need an ad blocker selected now. I recommend uBlock Origin for balance between blocking and performance. Make sure you're signed into your Firefox account if you want sync. Now click Extensions in the sidebar so you can search the add-on site. This is the first actionable step toward blocking ads immediately. You'll install the extension next. Search for uBlock Origin or your chosen blocker and click Install. Firefox will prompt for permissions, so allow only what's necessary. Once installed, open the extensions options. Enable the main filter lists, such as Easy List and Easy Privacy, and consider third-party trackers. If you want stronger blocking, enable advanced user settings, then import additional filters if needed. Make sure to disable overlapping features, like built-in tracking protection, only if the extension. You finish by testing several sites to confirm ads are blocked. Use Ctrl+Shift+E or the Network tab to inspect requests and see what's blocked. If a site breaks, whitelist it temporarily. Click the extension icon and select Allow on the site, then refresh. Make sure to clear cache and restart Firefox after major setting changes to apply filters. If blocking fails, disable other extensions to find conflicts, or reset the ad blocker settings to default. That usually resolves stubborn problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.